You are watching Kid Kabinet and this is the post-build review of the Hasegawa Ki-61 and the Academy Hellcat in 1/72 scale. Oh wow, I have hit 100 subscribers. Thanks to you all. So I have decided to make a slightly different video this time.
Okay, I'm going to do this normally.
It was funny though.
Yeah. So I'm going to do things a little bit different today to celebrate this. And I want to do a small post-build review. I want to start off with the Hellcat. This is the first kit I've ever airbrushed. So, well, it was a bit of a test subject there. And the kit itself looks, the Academy kit looks okay. But I want to point out some things, some problems that I encountered with this kit. And it's mainly in the nose area. The prop spinner was very long and very big. So that looked awkward. And what the original Academy kit doesn't have is this, this sloping Hellcat nose. It's more upward. I had to insert several shims with plastic card here to get that sagging nose. Oh yeah, I added some wheel well walls as well, because you could like look right inside the wing. So I blanked it off with thin plastic card. Also, the famous Hellcat grin isn't quite spot on, but okay-ish from a distance. So overall, at a quick glance, it looks like an okay kit, and since I was using it as a test subject for my first airbrush test, I was like okay with it. But I think I would go for another Hellcat. If I would go for another Hellcat, I would probably take the Edward one or something. That one looks very promising. This one has its problems, but in a way it looks the part. This was originally their Princeton version with the Hellcat mouths, but I built it into number 21 from Bunker Hill. Now, this kit isn't finished yet. Still not finished. It still lacks a radio aerial wire that needs to go there, and some touch-ups here and there, especially the lower parts. I think it looks a bit overly smudged, but passable. Next we have the Ki-61 or Ki-61, however you want to pronounce it. The Kawasaki Hien from Hasegawa. Yeah, I did some improvements here and there. The cockpit is very Spartan as with these early Hasegawa kits. They look very good for their age. So this thing is like, I don't know, like over 40 years old now, maybe 35 years old. And it still looks very nice. And it was a joy to build. It's a very simple build. But of course I had to do something special with it. So I built a red-tailed one. And this one isn't finished yet either. Also still needs the aerial wire. And it needs an airspeed meter here still, and of course some soot from the exhaust pipe. It still needs a proper pitot tube. So there. So, two nicely detailed kits, nicely recessed panel lining and all. Of course the Hellcat needs some attention, some extra attention to the nose, because that looks a bit awkward. And the wheel wells, of course. The Kawasaki needed some extra detail in the cockpit, a little landing light there. But still looked very good despite its age.